Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the greatest #1 YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. This is the Rideshare Hub. Anybody else who thinks that they are a better rideshare YouTuber, they gotta step up their merch game at least. I haven't seen any other drivers with merch like as good as ours. But anyways, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver and you wanna get your bonus, you can use the link in the description below to get your bonus of up to $1,000. Really easy to sign up, or if you signed up and you forgot to use a code, there's still a way to get that bonus. So check out the link in the description for details on that. This is pretty nuts. This is pretty insane in the membrane. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi. If you don't know who he is the Uber CEO. He did replace Travis Kalanick. This is currently the CEO. This is the X1. He used to be the CEO. He got into some trouble. Now this is the new guy, the new CEO. Let's see, Dara Khosrowshahi. Really quick. You know the drill, guys. We always got to do a little meme review of this guy. Unfortunately, nobody's made any memes yet of Dara. I guess people really like this guy, except he just said something. I think he didn't mean to say this, but the way he did it, what he said is not good for drivers. So if you guys didn't know, Uber drivers went on strike ahead of their IPO, and he was interviewed by Bloomberg on the IPO day, and Bloomberg was asking him, look at the thumbs up, look at the ratings on this. Not good at all. Not good at all. Wow, look at the effect that I can have on that. I'll leave it for you guys to control the ratings. By the way, if you guys leave a thumbs up on this video, if you guys can get this video to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna shave my entire head. I'm gonna go bald, and I'm gonna get shaving cream, and I'm gonna razor, you know, not just shave it, but actually shave it with shaving cream and a razor blade. I'm gonna shave my head. 1,000 likes, so leave this video a thumbs up if you want me to do that. But anyways, for today's video, yeah, she was interviewing this guy here, the Uber CEO, about, he's a good guy. Trust me, I respect him, but if you guys want to watch this video, I will link it in the description below. She basically, you know, I'm not going to play the whole thing. I just have this 5:10 if you want to look at it at yourself. What I always do when I want to watch these videos, I always play the playback speed at 2. That way I don't have to, you know, waste my time listening to everything. If you want to watch my videos, I'd probably suggest going to like 0.25 because I talk really fast. But anyway, so she's interviewing Dara Khosrowshahi, and she's asking him, you know, why is the Uber IPO, you know, just basically getting the updates. And she was actually pretty funny. She's like, oh, do you think Lyft has any effect? And he's like, oh, Lyft is not really our competitor, you know, we're the global leader. Lyft is just a little small tiny company. It's pretty funny what he says about Lyft. So if you're a fan of Lyft, sorry, Dara threw some shade on you. But what he did say about drivers is pretty nuts. So listen to what she asks him. So she's talking about the Uber IPO, and then she goes, oh, by the way, you know, drivers just went on strike. You know, did that have any effect on the IPO? What was that effect on the IPO in your opinion? And then how is, you know, what's Uber doing for the drivers because of the strike? Because obviously drivers are unhappy. Listen to what he says. Let me know if you catch it. If you catch it, let me know. And then I'm gonna tell you what he says and why it's a big deal. And I'm gonna give you my reaction live, okay? Ready? All right, here we go. I'm gonna push play. I'm just gonna rewind it a little bit just to get him finishing up what he's saying.
We don't want to be dependent on public markets for capital. This was important. This was a very important capital raise for us.
Okay.
Believe me, we believe that our business...
Let me turn it up a little bit. Can you hear it?
Let's talk about drivers.
Here we go.
There was a big strike this week. Thousands of drivers striking around the world. Certainly there are many drivers that are happy, but they say they don't make a living wage. Is there a way you could sort of implement a kind of a living wage, a longer-term plan to...
So if you can hear it, she asked, is there a way, you know, a lot of drivers are, they're unhappy because they're not getting a living wage. Is there a way to implement a living wage for drivers? Listen to what he says.
Keep drivers more engaged in the platform to make them happy.
So listen, you have over 3 million drivers and couriers on your platform.
3 million drivers per year. I think I heard that right.
Over 3 million drivers and couriers on your platform.
Oh, just 3 million total. Okay.
So listen, you have over 3 million drivers and couriers on your platform. It works out for some of them, and it doesn't work out for others. And
it doesn't work out. It works out for some of them, and it doesn't work out for others. Wow, that is insane. Let's listen a little bit more.
What we do have to make sure is our platform is a little too variable right now, and we want to make sure that it works out for all of our driver partners, and that's what we're working towards, making sure that they're their own bosses, they can work anytime they want to, they can get on the platform, get off the platform, so there's enormous amount of flexibility, but there's also variability of earnings. We want to make sure that every driver can be their own micro-entrepreneur, but to make sure that that opportunity works out for them. We are adding in some markets, like in Europe, health benefits, pregnancy benefits, etc.
So in Europe, actually, if you guys didn't know this, Uber provides health benefits, pregnancy leave, tons of benefits for drivers in Europe. Why not in the United States? Listen.
We do want to layer on the kinds of benefits that our driver partners and couriers want, and I think long term we want their lives to get better and better and better.
Keeping some distance from Uber's past. He's still on the board though. Do you think he will and should be on the board in a year?
He is a huge shareholder. He has been responsible for creating enormous value. I don't think this company could be where it is without Travis's efforts, and he's a great board member.
So yeah, Dara, so if you guys don't know, Travis Kalanick, he's the guy that, I don't even know if he was supposed to say that, but Travis Kalanick, he got in trouble with, tons of allegations. I won't get into too much detail. I'm pretty sure you guys know what happened. Wasn't good. He got in a fight with an Uber driver in the car, he was yelling at a driver. I don't want to say too much, but you guys can do your own research. But he's still a board member at Uber. He's still going to meetings. He still owns a bunch of the company. He's just not CEO anymore. He's still influencing the company. And Dara Khosrowshahi just says that Travis, he's a great guy and he brings a great thing to the table. It's almost like, why is he still going to board meetings if he got fired? It doesn't really make too much sense. Let me know what you guys think about all of this. This is a lot. Sorry to lay this all on you guys at once. I know this was a lot of news, but if you have your reactions, let me know in the description in the comment section down below. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Personally, my thoughts is, part of me does agree with him that driving for Uber, definitely not for everyone, but I think you need to have a different mindset when you're the CEO, just because you do want to accommodate all your workers. And if people are, there should be things put in place. Why is somebody so easily able to sign up for Uber when it's clearly not for them? There should be barriers put in place. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there should be an interview process or a, make sure this is right for you. Or I think maybe there should be, because I don't know if you guys know this, but drivers actually, the average time that they last is 6 months or something. I don't understand why Uber doesn't invest more in their current drivers to make them last longer, rather than, because if you guys don't know, Uber invests a lot of money in recruiting new drivers. So if they just take their money on recruiting drivers and pay the current drivers a little bit more, I think that would they wouldn't need to recruit so many drivers. So that's just my personal thought, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Again, give this video I just bit my tongue. Give this video a thumbs up. I gotta go fix that. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Got to 1,000 likes for haircut thing. And I will talk to you all soon. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to sign up to be a driver, use the link in the description below to get your bonus. Check out the merch on sale for the next 24 hours. All right, I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.